What's up, guys? It's Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing rental guy. Welcome to my rental shop. If you're watching this video, you're probably gonna build a letter C or build the alphabet as I'm doing. Do you like business but just don't know which kind of business to get into? I'm gonna tell you to get into the alphabet business. Build them yourself. I'm not even done building them yet, and I've already taken bookings for the summer. Jump on with me into this business venture. You won't regret it. So this video is a continuation from the last video that was like,
hey, I'm gonna build these letters.
there's, this one right there. Only now I've built 14 of these letters and I've taken multiple bookings for them, so I know so much more. You can draw up your own plans, or me and Wes already made the plans, so all you need to do is go and download them. They're already ready with all the files ready to cut. Bam! How did I make them, you may ask? First of all, I took the Baltic birch plywood, half-inch thick. I took it to the CNC shop, and they cut out the letters for me. It cost me $600. They're here. Let's unload them for painting. Okay, so 33 letters loaded up in my bay, and so I've got my bay all carved out for it. So if you come into the back here, so the back room here is my tent room. Tents are done for the season, and so I won't be using this room until it becomes nice again. So this room back here becomes my workshop. Today is the day that we start doing the cuts. So at this point, you can either get all the edging pieces CNC'd on your order, or you can cut them yourself using strips of plywood. We chose to cut them ourselves so that we can show you how to cut the angles from our PDF files. If you need these measurements, go ahead and print off the PDF files that you downloaded right now. If you're having trouble with the angles, you can go ahead and use a digital angle file like this. Or you can use a roofer square, so check it out.
So this is your pivot point, right? So say you want to find this 50 degree angle. So you just move this like this until you get to 50. 67.
Once you've cut your strips, it's time to glue them, vise them, and brad nail them.
Oh, no more nails.
Oh, no more nails?
So
It'll glue in between?
It'll glue in between a little bit.
Gotcha. Are you searching for the next step? Because it's right here. So clipping these bad boys together, the lights is pretty awesome. As you see right here, if you use our light kits that we supply, it's exact, right? So you don't have any overhang on the letters. It just goes exactly where it needs to be and looks a lot cleaner on your letter bill. We've got these C7 light sockets. They're vampire plugs, and they just clip into the spool of wire, or the wire that we supply in the kit. And then you just screw the bulbs into the front, and you put them the exact distance that you need away. Oh yeah. I know what you're wondering next. How do you market them? Well, that's for the next video. I'm feeling good, G-double-O-D. If you got negative energy, don't be around me. If you got negative energy, don't be around me. You stay classy.